Bula and welcome to this short presentation on Turnitin. USP uses an online text matching tool called Turnitin to assist the teaching staff check whether students' submitted work are original pieces or not. So, what is Turnitin? The misconception out there is that it's a plagiarism detection software. No, it doesn't do that. It cannot detect whether a student has plagiarized or not. The lecturer or marker will have to make that judgment, not Turnitin. A better way to put it is this: Turnitin can help prevent plagiarism. Well, to be exact, Turnitin is more of a text matching software. Yes, you heard that right. It is a text matching software that matches the text in a student's submission to the collection of other written works and various websites within its database. It will tell you whether a student's written work has been copied from sources, and it will identify these sources for you. As such, the system cannot really tell whether or not plagiarism has occurred, because a properly referenced source will also be picked up by Turnitin. And unnecessary alarm bells will be ringing if a marker or student is not aware of this. There has been some misconceptions about Turnitin and its usage, and we'd like to highlight them in this presentation. Firstly, some lecturers use it as a monitoring tool. We believe otherwise. While it is important that we monitor students' work and especially preserve the academic integrity of the university, Turnitin should be considered to be an educational rather than a monitoring tool. It should be used with a view to help students develop good academic skills, particularly the skill to properly acknowledge and reference academic sources used in their work. However, Turnitin per se cannot be used to teach these skills. Rather, it can be used to reinforce the skill, which should have been taught by teaching staff. The second misconception about Turnitin is a high similarity index score means that the whole work or parts of it has been plagiarized. This may not always be the case, as there could be other reasons contributing to this high score. We have discovered that apart from the usual cases of cheating, there could be several other genuine and unintended reasons for these scores to be high. These are: number 1, the high score could be a result of students submitting similar information that is required for the assessments, such as a plagiarism cover sheet, sample questionnaires, marking guide, a specific set of data, or statements that need to be analyzed, etc. Number 2, the high score could also be a result of students submitting an assignment in a different or a dummy Dropbox to view similarity index score. This would be picked up by Turnitin when they submit the same assignment to the actual Dropbox. Students should be encouraged to submit their work in the real Dropbox well before time, and then make changes within the provision of this Dropbox. Number 3, the score could also increase if students resubmitted edited work without changing the file name. Students should be encouraged to change the file name whenever resubmitting edited work. So you may be wondering, how do I deal with all of this? Don't panic. There is a function within Turnitin called the filter. This would allow you to filter out and isolate the sources that were picked out by Turnitin but appeared to be genuine, leaving you with a much better picture of what the similarity index should really be. In other cases, the similarity index may be low, but deep within, you feel that there is something amiss in the student's work. You feel that the student has plagiarized, but there is no proof. Don't worry, you are not alone. You don't probably realize this, but students have found ways to try and bypass the Turnitin system, and Turnitin has features that can help you detect this. Now, this presentation has only highlighted a couple of features and functions of the Turnitin tool. But there are many more, and we cannot cover all of these in this short presentation. We encourage you to download and read the detailed guide on how to use Turnitin from our Moodle staff guide at this URL. You can also come and visit us at the Center for Flexible Learning, or visit our website at cfl.usp.ac.fj. Alternatively, you could send in a request for a more detailed training and hands-on session on Turnitin. We hope that you enjoyed this presentation. Don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to our channel.